Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the 13th in a series where I am taking the contents of advent calendars, 5 of them, opening them up, telling you what's in them. I'm donating the contents to a nonprofit. I will put a link in the description box down below for more information about this nonprofit. And I'm going to jump into day 13. Starting with the OPI calendar. This one has not been pleasant to open. In fact, ironically, it's the one that's really doing a number on my manicure, which I do myself, so I can just do it again later tonight. Wow. Okay. Oh, and this is really pretty. I'm really enjoying kind of like gray taupey colors. And this one is called Berlin There Done That. Next is the NYX calendar. This is an individual eyeshadow called Cookie Cutter. Pretty. Not gonna swatch it. It looks just like a nice beigey color. Looks like it's a matte. I haven't used NYX eyeshadows in a while. I haven't bought a lot of the palettes that have come out. I used to use the trios a long time ago, but wonder what their eyeshadow formula is like. If you use NYX eyeshadow, let me know, so I might want to check it out and see what their eyeshadow formula is like these days. The Body Shop. This is the mid-range one, and it has been disappointing me. It's been very hit and miss. And this is good. This is a 60 ml 2-ounce strawberry clearly glossing shampoo for dull hair. So I'm assuming that it smells like strawberries and is good for dull hair. So hopefully someone will like that. Next is from Feel Unique. This is interesting. There are instructions here. Balance Me gradual tanning drops for face and body. So it says you're supposed to add it into your Balance Me face and body moisturizer. Like you drop it in and then you mix it and put it on your face or your body. I wonder if another one of these is gonna have body cream, or if you can use any body cream. And last is Space and K. Oh wow! This is a 2-gram deluxe sample of the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. I love this stuff. Oh, I'm happy. Someone will really enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took a little time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.